DIY domestic wiring. This is the basement. I'm still here to start wiring the basement. Just pulled out the pipes from the conduit from the deck. So I'm going to go upstairs where I started everything afresh. So here we climb the staircase. It's a little bit dark in here. Yeah. So now I get into the first room. You can see that's chasing. I chase the wall down and I chase the other side. So that's the bedside lamp, rather bedside switch, and there's a socket that goes throughout. I know you can see the finish, but the finish is on the other side. You can see this is a wardrobe, and this is the entrance switch. And that's a socket, and there is another socket. Now I move out. So I move out, I get into the next room. The phone room's up here in the way. So stuck in here, but that's a socket. That's another socket. And that is a bedside switch. And a socket coming through down. And that's the supply of the socket. And that's the entrance of the switch. You can see it's a very big room. And that's the toilet. Anyway, that's the toilet with the entrance switch. I move out and next room. Yeah, this is a push button that lights the stairways and the corridor. And you can see here. Yeah, this is a small parlor up in here, a little parlor. This is the switch of the bathroom. Yeah, and there's a supply socket that runs on the ground. The supplies this other socket, and this is where the TV cable is going to pass, and a socket, and that's the entrance switch of the room. Yeah, and that's a wall lamp right over there. There's another wall lamp right over there, and that's a junction box. Yeah, so each room basically have a junction box, so I didn't mention it because it's I think someone who knows should know. Wow, this is the master's bedroom. I start from the entrance switch. This is the entrance switch. This is the side where the bed is, and that is the bed switch, and that is the bedside socket. This is one bedside socket that loops onto the other socket. And as you go, this is the dressing room, which has another entrance into the bathroom. So this is its switch, and that's a little balcony outside. So that switch is going to control the balcony outside and the balcony inside. This is yeah, that's a socket, and this is where you have the TV from the bedside. You can watch the TV. You have a TV cable and two sockets, one above, one below. And yeah, so you have a little balcony out here. Yeah, have a little balcony out here, as you can see. So that's all for now. So there's a little office here. There's a little office here. As you can see, there's a little office here. Yeah, this is the entrance way that leads to the balcony, and it has an entrance switch. The door opens this way, either in or out, but the door opens this way, so the switch has to be on the other side. And you can also see there's the supply socket that runs to the ground into the other socket. Yeah, it's a small office. You can have a view outside, you know, some fresh air and so on. So back into the staircase. When you climb up the staircase, in the first place on the deck, you can see this is a fuse box where every power and everything is going to come through. So for now, thank you. We're not finished with the cups. I'm going to show you some more.